Welcome back to CAD Institute. In this tutorial, we'll be creating this part in SolidWorks using some basic modeling tools. Let's get started. First, open a new part. Go to the Appearance tab and set the background to plain white. Now, go to the top plane, click Sketch, and draw two concentric circles at the origin. Set the diameter of the outer circle to 60 mm and the inner circle to 50 mm. Go to the Features tab and select Extruded Boss. Extrude the sketch 30 mm upward and click OK. Next, return to the top plane, start a new sketch, and select Normal to for a better view. Draw a center line and extend it in both directions to make it infinite. Then, draw another horizontal center line. Now, draw two more concentric circles centered on the same point. Create a tangent line connecting them. Do this twice to form a closed shape. Draw two additional circles nearby. Select these two circles, then go to Mirror Entities and mirror them using the center line. Add the dimensions. The outer circle should be 20 mm in diameter. The inner one 10 mm. The distance between the first center point and the second is 50 mm. For the second set of circles, the outer diameter is 16 mm. And the inner diameter is 10 mm. The center-to-center distance is 82 mm. Next, go to Offset Entities. Set the offset to 8 mm and select the bidirectional option. Click OK. Now, select the outer circle and click Convert Entities. Use Extend Entities to lengthen the two tangent lines. Select one of the lines and set it as Construction Geometry. Then, mirror the two lines across the center line using Mirror Entities. Make the outer circle and one of the tangent lines tangent to each other. Again, use Mirror Entities to mirror one outer line across the center line. Go to the Features tab again, select Extruded Boss, choose the desired sketch regions, and extrude them to a depth of 12 mm. Click OK. Start another sketch on the top plane. Draw a line from one point to another. Making sure the distance between them is 25 mm. Delete the coincident relation of the point. Then, select the line and the outer circle and make them tangent. Next, go to the Features tab, select the Rib tool. Set the thickness to 6 mm. Select Flip to Material Side. Adjust the direction as needed. And then click OK. Now, go to the Mirror tool. Select the front plane as the mirror plane. And choose the feature you just patterned to mirror. Click OK. Our model is now complete. To finish it off, apply a material appearance. Go to the Appearance tab and choose Steel for a realistic look. And that's it. This is how you can design a part in SolidWorks using simple, beginner-friendly tools. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching.